Now even I have to admit that this story came as a surprise to me this morning because Tupperware, yes Tupperware, is in the red by nearly 40% this Monday morning to kick off the week, and Tupperware is in danger of going out of business. The iconic food storage container company, the brand name we all refer to for packing up leftovers here in the United States, may not be around that much longer. Sounds wild, sounds crazy, sounds impossible. But for those wondering just how bad is the situation with Tupperware, well, here at the New York Stock Exchange, they just warned that Tupperware stock is in danger of being delisted for not filing a required annual report. And even more detail, in a regulatory filing late Friday, when the markets were closed for the holiday weekend, Tupperware said there's substantial doubt about the company's ability to continue as a going concern, and that it's working with financial advisors to find financing to stay afloat. Tupperware literally said it won't have enough cash to fund its operations if it does not secure more money. The company also said that it is exploring potential layoffs and it's reviewing its real estate portfolio for potential money-saving efforts. And for those that don't know, Tupperware is an iconic 77-year-old American business. The referral name when anybody discusses food storage containers here in their homes in the United States. No one says put it in the Pyrex or where's that pasta from yesterday? Is it in the OXO? Is it in the Rubbermaid? No, everybody says the Tupperware. But the Tupperware brand has been struggling in recent years to maintain its relevance against said rivals. And the struggles are known as Tupperware has been trying its best to shed its classic old school image and attract younger customers with newer and trendier products. It also struck a deal with Target just last year to start selling its products in Target stores. Apparently, younger consumers have never even heard of Tupperware parties, and unlike myself, apparently the word Tupperware is not synonymous with takeaway storage containers with the younger generation. Kind of like how we all call cotton swabs Q-tips, which is a registered brand. The same can be said about storage containers being called Tupperware, a brand, but apparently the younger generation doesn't follow suit. For example, yesterday was Easter Sunday here in the US, and upon request from my family, I hosted a big Filipino-American Easter Sunday dinner with a ton of family and friends, just like that movie.
Are you coming this Sunday for Easter? We're all expecting you, Joseph.
Some debate, lots of laughs, singing, drinks. And when most stomachs were full, the most important question of the night came about from my aunt. James, where is the Tupperware? We need to take home the food in the Tupperware. And where are your plastic bags? And when asked for Tupperware, they obviously don't mean the brand. They mean generic takeout containers, Ziploc bags, another great example of calling a product by a brand name, and lots of aluminum foil to wrap around paper plates. Again, not the brand, just containers. They call it Tupperware. And that's where the issues are apparently stemming from. When people buy the Rubbermaid food storage bulk box over at Costco, it's not Tupperware, even though the customer may call it that. In fact, for 75 of its 77 years of existence, Tupperware could not be found in traditional brick-and-mortar chain stores. Generally, the company has sold its containers solely and famously through its in-home Tupperware parties or through its own website, door-to-door sellers and product testing like Kip and Uncle Rico and Napoleon Dynamite.
You see, this ain't your run-of-the-mill crapperware. These are some serious Newpont fiber woven bowls.
And that worked for decades. But just last year, amid slumping sales, cash-strapped consumers as the COVID pandemic eased, and amid a lack of brand recognition from millennials and Gen Z, Tupperware, the brand, decided to sell its signature plastic food storage products nationwide on the shelves of Target, a move that marked a major shift in the company's history. But apparently, that hasn't been as big as a boom as expected. And that's why we are having this discussion and questioning if Tupperware, an American icon, will soon be no more. Seriously, Tupperware has achieved cultural icon status. I just found this out today. It's even in the permanent collection at the Smithsonian for establishing the food storage category. But Tupperware, its decades-long market dominance, is not about to end, taken over by competitors like Rubbermaid, Glad, Pyrex, Ziploc. Is it about to be delisted from the New York Stock Exchange? Shares are down 90% over the past year. So is it time to say goodbye to the Tupperware brand? Or will someone, maybe a competitor or a large brand, take over the name and push it out under their own umbrella? What do you think will happen next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Follow, subscribe to Modern Wall Street on social media. Until next time, from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Swinney.